Hey sakap guys, I made this video last week.
They can unlock your Netflix content. You're still being tracked, dude. Bezpratniowo, jeśli nie prednie za product. They slow down your internet.
As you can hear, it's about how sketchy free VPNs are 90% of the time. But what if I don't want to allocate a monthly or yearly fee to VPN only? Well, I think I might have one that I can suggest to you to use nonetheless. About free VPNs, I received a comment or message from an angry guy saying that I don't know nothing, that ProtonVPN was none of what I was saying, blah 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 blah. Okay, maybe I don't know anything. Who am I? What's the point of life? But then I remembered using this exact VPN about a year now, and then I told myself, God, he's right. I first started using VPNs back in 2014 because I thought that they will give me free access to the internet. Yeah, I know, but reading that you'll have a tunneled connection directly to your device and your ISP wouldn't be able to see what you're doing, yeah, I thought that I'd have the incredible opportunity to use internet without paying for it. And boy, I was wrong. Years after, I again started using VPN because I wanted to use Spotify in my country, and again when I was quarantined, I used it to daily watch YouTube in 1080p. YouTube decided to limit HD contents to certain locations because the world was binge watching contents as they please during the pandemic, so they did that to reduce the load from their servers. Now let's see how it stacks against other VPN when it comes to privacy. From what I've read both from their website and other articles online, first, they don't log your activity. Generally, free and even paid VPN keep track of what you're doing online to resell it to advertisers. Saying that a VPN protects your privacy is wrong. It's rather a question of what pair of hands my private data are going to be handled to. The only information that ProtonVPN monitors is a timestamp of login attempts. This timestamp is overwritten with each successful login and does not contain any identifying information. They said that they retain this timestamp to detect and protect users from password guessing attacks. Not only they don't log your activity, and under the Swiss law they can't be forced to keep your data saved somewhere. And even if they're requested to hand over your data, they only have one timestamp of your data to hand over because it's overwritten each time you successfully log to their services. That's it. If they're obligated to cooperate with a legally binding request from Swiss courts, they're not under any US jurisdiction. They don't resell bandwidth, their privacy is backed up by law, and their free accounts are community supported. While you won't be able to use Netflix with ProtonVPN, being a free VPN, that's excellent news nonetheless. You'll be limited to only 3 locations, you won't be able to torrent anything. Using the free version, the speed penalty is relatively not that much. Now, where is the drawback? My answer is going to be a solid not really or not at all for now. Being the child of Proton Mail and being open source, it's going to be really hard to find something that we can label as really bad when it comes to ProtonVPN. Like if you like this, subscribe if you stayed and enjoyed it till the end. That pretty much sums it up for today's video. My name is Kensley and I will see you in the next one.